What it do, folks? It's your boy, old motherfucking Skrilla. Don't get no realer. PRC. Then that caused me to turn my motherfucking camera on. What? Gun titles. Motherfucking Lux. Hollow the Dawn. Versus the Surfer. Tay-Rock. Man, look. I just got one question. Who y'all got? Goddamn Black broke it down, which we already knew Black was gonna break it down. But, man, Rock and Surf got that chemistry. Chemistry means a lot. Especially being up there on that stage with them 2-on-2s. But we got two God goats. Man, Lux twice in the same year, dog. What y'all gonna do, man? Y'all cats and kittens ain't jumping on this dog on smack out. You better get that smack out. I got mine. Shit. So I ain't gonna be long, just, man, hop in the comments, catch me on Twitter, whatever, just drop who y'all got, man. Drop who y'all got. How excited on a scale of 1 to 10 are y'all, man? I'm fucking ecstatic, man. I can't freaking wait. Shout out to my girl, Miss VA, the finest. Shout out to all the bloggers out there. Damn, I'm Wild, Money, all y'all cats. Hen Dog, all y'all, man. Keep doing y'all thing, man. I follow every last one of y'all, man. Incredible work, man. One last note. I ain't no batter, man. I'm just a fan, man. I love this shit. I've been following this shit, like I said before, since before Smack DVDs hit the scene. You know what I'm saying? But, man, this battle rap, man. Man, let's keep it battle rap, man. All that extracurricular shit, leave that shit outside, man. I don't want to see nobody get hurt behind fucking battle rap. You know what I mean? So, man, y'all tighten up out there, man. I hope everybody, I hope all these cats, y'all squash that shit, man, that dumb shit, man. Man, we getting ready to get Lux twice in 2019. Tighten up, y'all, man. Be happy, man. Goddamn, eat, drink, be merry, watch battle rap. Holler back at your boy. I'm out.